The agenda of this video is what is reward management, what are the objectives of reward management, and what are the types of reward management. First, what is reward management? It is the formulation and implementation of strategies in order to give rewards to the employees equally, consistently, according to the value they provide to the organization. It is given as a recognition for the contribution of the employees. So, what are the objectives of reward management? First one is recruit and retain. So, when an employee knows that, for example, employee working in our organization and he got some reward, and he will say to his friend that I got this reward. In such case, he will be attracted towards our organization. The friend of our employee will be attracted to our organization. So that in that way, we can recruit the candidates. And by giving rewards, we can retain the employees. Next one is internal and external equity. We have to provide internal benefits as well as external benefits. Internal benefits are such as increasing his positions. External benefits such as giving the bonuses, salaries, house, cars, etc. Motivate. It always motivates the employees when we give the rewards. For example, an employee is earning some bonus. By seeing him, other employee will think that I have to work more so that I will also get the bonus. Next one is strengthen psychological contract. It always improves the psychological mind of the employees. It will regain the confidence. It will build the confidence in the minds of the employees. Next one is financially sustainable. We can give the rewards in terms of money by giving the checks. We can make them financially stable. Next one is comply with legislation. We cannot give everything for the employee. We should offer something which makes value for the employees. We cannot give a Mercedes Benz, and the rewards which we are providing should be equal to everyone. We should not discriminate. And the employee who is working well is always eligible to receive the rewards. Efficiently administered. By giving rewards, we can efficiently administer the organization. Next, we will see what are the types of reward management. What are the types of rewards? First one is intrinsic and extrinsic. What is intrinsic rewards? Intrinsic rewards are intangible rewards. We cannot see or touch. The examples of intrinsic rewards are performance appraisal, or giving the statements that he is doing well, he works well in the organization, giving the praising. Extrinsic are the tangible rewards which we can touch and see in terms of bonus, rewards, etc. Next one is financial and non-financial rewards. In financial rewards, the employees will give in the financial benefits such as checks, bonus, rewards, incentives, etc. In non-financial, he will not receive any financial benefit. He will receive gym cards, vouchers for the movie, like that. Next one is membership and performance. So based on the performance of the employees will be given the rewards. Next one is membership. The employees will be given a part of the share to the employees. The employees who performs to the next level, they will be given some share in the organization. So this is all about objectives and types of reward management. Thank you.